This is Penny, and this is a Rockstar Science production.
Stop, because you can't see it. You have to put it there so you can see it. Kind of a summative assessment based on chemical and physical properties of metals, and they'll be demonstrating, how well they can identify metal uses for a given task. They're taking the role of sort of like an engineer or a chemical engineer, and presenting this to a mock audience. They're going to be given a few different metals and determine how are the properties of them, how will they be used for a specific situation, and conducting a variety of tests on them. The three metals they're going to be taking and looking at is aluminum, copper, and zinc, and then determine what are the properties that they would like to have of this, like should it be a conductor, should it be reactive, dense or not dense, and how malleable should it be. Identify variables and organize it into a chart. This is just sort of like a standard lab rubric that's pretty middle school friendly, and what we're going to be doing is using this, and then they're going to be evaluated on sort of their ability to identify variables in the experiment, also show information graphically well, and finally use good written explanations. So this is a demonstrative of their scientific lab skills, and should be quite fun.
Conclusion.
Yep.
We
What?
have to put so in conclusion, the best method.
Well, I would start with saying that the hypothesis is supported or rejected.
I know, but after that, in conclusion, do you say?
But then also use some of the data to summarize your
Which
conclusion.
one is
So
the
you
best?
say, based on the results of this, it meets the criteria partially or fully.
But do I say which one's actually the best one?
You can
Or-
say, because my hypothesis is rejected, based on the test results, I think maybe this metal would be better. That's okay.
It's your day.
Mm-hmm.
Can I ask you a question?
You just did.
So, at the conclusion, I say my hypothesis was not
Put your goggles on. Yeah.
was not supported
Mhm.
or supported, and then now do we just say the conclusion, I think?
Yeah, but try to summarize the data in your conclusion. Like, based on the results of this, as you can see, it met the criteria like I thought it would. But this test did not. So it's partial. You can say partially supported, fully supported.
So that's all?
Yeah, but try to link your data into your conclusion a little bit, to summarize the data a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah. How was it?
Pretty hard, but it was fun.
Good. Yeah. How's it going?
Yeah, good.
Huh? Use a different scale if it's not very sensitive. Come on, put your glasses on. Put your glasses on. Even if you guys are not using acid, please have your goggles on, because people nearby you may be using that at one time. Auntie, your glasses. Now put them on. You can, yeah, you can.